Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to practice real, everyday English conversations for beginners. If you are just starting to learn English, the best way to improve is by practicing short, simple dialogues that you can actually use in real life. We will go through 3 common daily scenarios: meeting someone for the first time, ordering food at a cafe, and asking for help in a store. Listen closely and repeat the sentences out loud after me. Scenario 1, meeting someone new. Imagine you're meeting a new co-worker or classmate for the first time. Person A, hello. Good morning. My name is Alex. What is your name? Person B, hi, Alex. I am Sarah. It is nice to meet you. Person A, nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from? Person B, I am from Canada. How about you? Person A, I am from Spain. Are you new here? Person B, yes, this is my first week here. Everything is very exciting. Person A, welcome. If you need any help, just let me know. Person B, thank you so much. Have a great day. Person A, you too. See you later. Scenario 2, ordering at a cafe. Now, let's practice ordering a drink and a bite to eat at a coffee shop. Person A, hi there. How can I help you today? Person B, hello. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Person A, sure. Would you like hot coffee or iced coffee? Person B, iced coffee, please. Person A, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large? Person B, medium, please. Also, do you have any pastries? Person A, yes, we have fresh croissants and chocolate muffins. Person B, great, I will take one croissant as well. Person A, perfect. That comes to $5. Will you be paying with cash or card? Person B, card, please. Here you go. Person A, thank you. Here is your receipt. Your drink will be ready in just a minute. Person B, thank you very much. Scenario 3, asking for help in a store. Finally, let's look at how to ask for assistance when you are shopping. Person A, excuse me, can you help me find something? Person B, of course. What are you looking for? Person A, I am looking for bottled water. Where is it? Person B, it is in aisle 4 right next to fruit juices. Person A, thank you. Also, how much is this apple? Person B, that is $1. Person A, great. Thank you so much for your help. Person B, you are very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Key tips to remember. When practicing conversations in English, keep it simple. You do not need long, complicated sentences to communicate clearly. Be polite. Always use phrases like please, thank you, and excuse me. Practice out loud. Reading silently won't train your mouth muscles. Speak the words out loud every single day. Practice these 3 simple conversations a few times today. Try changing the names, food items, or places to make them your own. Thank you for practicing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.